the heck.
Bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is fastest. Whichever.
Hey guys, and welcome back to YouTube channel. Yeah, me. So today it's Friday, and I just thought let me just start a vlog today, cause I know I'm going somewhere and I wanted to vlog that. Yeah, so now I'm just waiting to have my classes. Then from there I'll go home. Oh, I have something to do. I think I'll pass at Daiso, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, till then. And now I'm waiting for the bus to go to Endlinian. Guys, ngisanda kufika endlini ngageza cause I was cold. Manje, I'm going to do my laundry and clean up this place. Reason being why I'm doing it on Friday, it's because throughout the weekend I'm going to give it sending. So I'm going to go Sunday so I'm gonna do that. I don't think I'll vlog that because but I'll see you tomorrow when we go out. Bye. Hey guys, today is Saturday and we are going out. There's this Waterfall Café, so yeah, I'm taking you with you, and I couldn't vlog while I was still getting ready because I'm super late. Even now, oh, I have to actually. But see you on the way. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that part, but I'm gonna definitely vlog at the cafe that we're going to. So sit down, relax. For now, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, tell a friend to tell a friend to come subscribe, please.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now, flip so edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Time to be the nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change that me.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, yo, I don't even want to say welcome back to my YouTube channel because at this point I'm at a point where I really don't know what's in. Yazi, living abroad is all fun and games until you have 4C hair and you literally don't know what to do. Yes, I know probably you're asking why why it is mad expensive to get my hair done here. Mad expensive to an extent where I'm converting Sikijimaboma 1 point, and I'm like no. And today I need to be somewhere and I really don't know what to do with this hair. Like honestly, I really don't know, but let's try to do something. However, I'm not gonna record myself doing that. However, I'll come back with what I decided to do with this hair, because I got 12, I need to be somewhere.
War in my mind, gotta let go. Wait, think he was holding me